If you're like every other red-blooded human being on this planet, then the thought of making money while you sleep has definitely crossed your mind. However, as cliché as it may sound, or as unattainable as it might seem, actually making money literally while you're sleeping is not only possible, it's most certainly doable. Yet we have all been through what David Sharpe has coined as the Guru Gauntlet. Everyone thinks that making money online while you're in a restful slumber is just a dream that can never actually be realized. However, it's clearly not. In fact, not only are people doing it all around the world, but the scale of those doing it is increasing rapidly. I am going to show you 7 ways to make money while you sleep. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. However, to most who set out to achieve this goal, getting there isn't simple, nor is it straightforward. The truth? Most people give up. They throw in the proverbial towel and call it quits. Why? Because it's hard. No, scratch that. It's a monumental undertaking, one that delays the payoffs for months, or sometimes even years. Now, I don't say that to scare you in the slightest. I say that to set the expectations. But if you're willing to dig in your heels and grind, the world truly can be your oyster. Not only will you start earning some side hustle income, but it could also one day replace your full-time income entirely. To me, that's the true definition of financial freedom. While an active income will pay your bills, it won't afford you the luxury of time. Liz Benny, the self-professed queen of Kapow, who built a proverbial cash money machine using 3 automated webinars, who not long ago struggled to come to grips with online marketing, is a firm believer in income automation. Today, Benny is the definition of success, so much so that she's been able to launch her own mastermind group. I talked to Benny at length to garner some insight into what some would call the often seedy world of internet marketing. My biggest question? Not only how can you make money while you sleep, but how can you keep it real and stay authentic while you do so? At the end of the day, making money while you sleep is just another term for passive income. It simply pertains to money that comes in every month automatically without very much maintenance required. Most people think about real estate rental income as passive income, but there are so many other forms. The reason why passive income is so important is because time is greater than money. It's far more valuable than any amount of money because it can never be recreated. Once it's spent, it's gone, and there's virtually no way to exit the rat race when you're an employee who directly exchanges your time for money. Sure, unless you're a top executive at a company like Apple or Amazon or Facebook, you're all set. But for others, the struggle is most certainly real. 7. Tap into your expertise and sell online courses. Are you an expert on a specific topic or industry, or have special know-how that other people could benefit from? If so, then you have knowledge that you can turn into online courses, and then sell access to those courses in order to generate passive income. Create a series of videos of yourself talking, or record your voice along with a set of presentation slides. Upload the content to a learning management system, LMS, add a price tag, promote to your mailing list, and voila! You've created content that you can passively sell. The easiest way to get your online courses up and running quickly is to offer them through an established online site like Udemy or Skillshare. Another option is to use a software-as-a-service SaaS tool like Teachable or Kajabi. Leave a comment, "I watched till the end," if you love this video. 6. Share what you love with affiliate marketing. Are there specific brands or products that you love? Are you active on social media, or do you have a blog or website with some traffic? If so, affiliate marketing could be a perfect passive income opportunity for you. When you join a company's affiliate marketing program, you will have access to links, banner ads, and more that you can publish and share on your website, blog, email newsletter, and social media accounts. Depending on the company's affiliate program terms, you'll receive a commission whenever someone clicks your affiliate links or makes a purchase. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to choose companies with products and services that make sense for you to share with your online audience. Otherwise, they won't click and you won't earn. 5. Leverage your online following as an online influencer. If you already have a large online following, or you're ready to invest some time into growing a large following, then you can promote yourself as an online influencer and generate an income from the activities you already do, such as publishing social media posts and videos or live streaming. The online influencer is typically paid a fee or a commission. The trick to being successful is to build a personal brand and publish content that is highly focused on a specific target audience, one that is desirable for other brands to connect with. The most popular online influencers know this, and their TikTok, Instagram, and other social media feeds are filled with content that their followers are interested in. 4. Build a review and comparison website. For entrepreneurs who are tech-savvy and not afraid to set up a website and keep it updated, building a review and comparison website can be very lucrative. With this type of website, you simply publish content reviewing products and comparing products to help people make buying decisions. Choose a niche of products that consumers typically have to do research about before deciding which brand to buy. Join the affiliate marketing programs for businesses you know you'll include in your content, and when you publish reviews and comparisons on your site, use your affiliate links. That way, you'll earn revenue when people click and buy. As you build an audience and your traffic increases, you can also sell ad space on your site and generate additional passive income. Leave a comment, "I watched till the end," if you love this video. 3. Hop on trends and start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping businesses have become extremely popular in recent years. With dropshipping, you set up an e-commerce website, choose suppliers, and sell their products through your site. All payments and shipping are handled by the suppliers, so you're only responsible for maintaining your website, promoting it, and handling any customer service inquiries. To find a product line to focus on, search trending content on social media sites and use Google Trends. Once you choose a niche, you need to find reliable suppliers. Do your research, request samples, and place your own orders first to test them. You can search using sites and tools like Oberlo and Megagoods. Another option is to work directly with brands that offer wholesale programs where they handle the shipping for orders. 2. Exploit fads with a print-on-demand business. Have you ever seen t-shirts, mugs, or bags with funny phrases, cute pictures, or trendy designs printed on them? If so, it's very likely you stumbled on someone's print-on-demand business. Two of the most popular print-on-demand suppliers are Printful and Printify. Using their services, you can create custom product designs to be printed on clothing, bags, hats, and more. The supplier takes care of the production and shipping. 1. Leverage success and license your work. Licensing is a process where you grant others the legal permission to use your creativity, work, process, business model, materials, products, or services and sell it through their own business in exchange for a royalty fee. If you have something of value that other businesses can use and would be willing to pay for, then licensing allows you to exploit that item or idea and generate a passive income from it. Just be sure to work with an experienced attorney and financial professional when you set up your licensing program and agreements. Next steps to make passive income while you're sleeping. I've seen people achieve success with all of these passive income opportunities. To get started, you must create a plan and stick to it. When you're trying to set up passive revenue streams, it can be easy to procrastinate. But remember, every delay leads to wasted income, both while you're awake and while you're sleeping. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.